Imagine this. Imagine you could work with me and my team every single week where we trained you on exactly what was working right now on Facebook, YouTube, Google, and Instagram ads, where we showed you exactly what ad copy to write, what audiences to target, how to put together video ads, how to set up the tracking, all live every single week. And you'd be able to see what ads are working right now across our own businesses and our clients. You'd be able to see how we spend over $500,000 a month on Facebook ads alone, plus another $200,000 a month across Google and YouTube, and produce millions in sales every single month off that ad spend. And then you'd be able to take what we're doing and apply it directly to your business too. You could use our best converting ads, steal every single one of our ninja targeting tactics. What would that be worth to you and your business? I mean, running ads like this can bring in another $70,000 to $100,000 a month, like it does for some of our clients. Or if you're just starting, another $3,000 to $5,000 a month. Imagine being able to submit your ads that you're running every single week to get reviewed and get direct feedback from my team and I, so we can cut your cost per client in half. You see, we regularly get paid up to $20,000 a month from clients to run their ads for them. And they're extremely happy to pay us that because we simply get them results. Just like Trey Llewellyn, who we scaled his offer from around $30,000 a month to over $117,000 a month.
Hey, what's up? Trey Llewellyn here, and here's the thing is we have recently brought on Mike's agency to scale up what I like to call our high-ticket sales funnel, because here's the thing is we were not able, unfortunately, internally to scale past a certain point in ad spend. And every time we did, the results, they would just go down, they plummet, we wouldn't be profitable. And so our main goal was to get at first to $1,000 a day in ad spend, where we're able to keep the cost per booked call at a really good rate. So anyways, we called up Mike and I said, hey man, can you come in and just help us out and get our cost per book call within a certain amount of money so we can actually be profitable. So they came in, we started scaling to $1,000 a day in ad spend with Mike's agency. We're actually currently now over $1,500 a day in ad spend, and we're looking to take that to $2,000, $3,000, $5,000, obviously just keep going on, because why wouldn't you if you're making your return on ad spend back? And that's exactly what's happened with Mike's agency, is we've actually 2x'd our return on ad spend so far. And see, here's the cool thing is last month, I know we spent over about 46 grand in ad spend, and we brought back right at 117 in sales. So $117,000 in 1 month, pretty crazy. And so every time we meet with Mike, it's pretty cool calls. His team jumps on, he jumps on. We discuss new ideas, new ad creative, ad copy. And, you know, the thing is like they've really just taken the ball and they ran with it. And from that point, we're able to actually focus on what we're really good at. We're able to focus on our sales, our fulfillment, while they work on the ads side of things. So here's the deal, is I highly recommend anyone who is thinking of working with Mike to do so. It's been a pleasure to work with them. They are highly trained on what they're doing. They're highly knowledgeable on how to run with Facebook, and they just got it down. So take my word for it. Go and use them. Say hello. Thanks, Mike, for all you're doing, man. Love working with you. Talk soon.
Or Onyx and Gall, who we regularly consult with for his company Learn, which does over $20 million a year in sales.
I just want to say that I have some of my best conversations about Facebook ads with Mike. This guy knows his stuff. As a matter of fact, we go back and forth almost on a regular basis. He's been helping me with some of my campaigns, and I have just been learning a tremendous amount from him. I'll tell you one thing right now, okay? And I'm putting my name behind this. If you want to learn about Facebook ads, or better yet, if you want to have someone just do them for you, there is no one better right now in the industry that is at the cutting edge, at the front of what's happening, especially in our industry, than Mike. So all I'm going to tell you right now is that, you know, I've been giving him campaigns, I've been working with him. If I trust him and we're investing over $500,000 a month on Facebook ads, then you can bet your butt he knows his stuff. So right now, if you're thinking about working with Mike, thinking about learning from Mike, don't wait. Don't even think about it anymore. Mike is absolutely awesome. He's got my absolute, most glowing endorsement because I love working with him, all right? So go for it. Talk to you soon.
So if you want to run some more profitable paid advertising every single day and get training every single week from my team and I, then you need to join our platinum paid traffic calls every Thursday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Each call goes over a certain subject of running advertising, whether it's ad copy, targeting, putting together video ads. Each call will help you learn how to run effective paid advertising to bring in more leads and sales. Listen, in order to stay ahead of your competition, you need to know what's working right now, not what was working 6 months ago. That's the key to making more profit with less time. After we go over our teaching portion, you're able to submit any ads you need reviewed, any landing pages or websites, and get reviews live on the call. You're able to share your screen so we can dive into your ads manager and tell you exactly what we would do if you were one of our $20,000 a month clients. My team and I are going to hold your hand and show you exactly how to add another $30,000 to $50,000 a month to your income by bringing in more pre-sold leads, more booked calls, and ultimately more clients to your business. Every single Thursday. Plus, you get access to all of our previous live trainings that we've done. So when you grab this, you can get started going through them right away. The value here is insane. And here's the thing, to get me to consult you one-on-one with your Facebook ads will cost you $1,000 an hour. And you're getting over an hour each and every week to work with my team and I to consult you on your ads, train you on what's working every week, and ultimately double or even triple your business. This is easily a $5,000 a month value to get my team and I in your corner, helping you craft ads that convert, reducing your cost per lead, your cost per book call, and ultimately your cost per new client. I'm in a similar group for copywriting strategies every week where I pay $30,000 a year to attend, and it's been worth hundreds of thousands of dollars in new sales to my business. I could easily price this at $1,500 a month, and the serious business owners would get an ROI immediately. Even at $497 a month, to get weekly live access to my team and I would still be a steal. But I want the new business owners to be able to afford this. That's why I'm only $497 for the whole year of access. $497 to get 4 monthly trainings with my team and I so we can train you on Facebook, YouTube, Google, and Instagram ads each week. Plus, you're able to get your ads reviewed, your copy checked, and direct feedback on whatever you need live on the call for the year. If you don't love it, simply just shoot us an email to cancel and you're not charged anything else. All you need to do is click the $497 for the whole year of access. You'll also get access to our previous live trainings so you can start diving in and getting results immediately. These trainings are not open to the public. This is the only place you can get them. And once we fill up our allotted slots, we will not have this available again. These are the same tactics that are allowing us to scale multiple clients to over $10 million a year in sales. And you'll be learning exactly how we do it. All you have to do is click the button below this video right now and you'll have instant access.